Hello, Natomas Christian School families. Guess what? Today is May 12th, which means we only have 2 weeks left in the school year. I can't believe it, and I gotta imagine that it's probably pretty fast for you too, and that you're probably thinking to yourself, you can't believe it either, but it's the truth. So today our Thursday Thoughts will be a lot of announcements, and the first thing that I would like to do is to clarify one big piece of information for both preschool and kinder through high school, and that is clarifying the last day of school for students. So students' last day of school is going to be Tuesday, May 24th. There was some confusion when we had to change the Six Flags dates from the 25th through the 20th, and that confusion and that mix-up there has caused some confusion. But I would like you to know that the last day of school for students is Tuesday, May 24th, and that's for our preschool and for our kinder through high school. May 24th, last day of school for our students. The rest of this Thursday Thoughts will apply mostly to our kindergarten through high school students. May 24th will be a busy day for the kinder through high school because that is also the day of school-wide awards, and the awards ceremony will be held in the afternoon at 2:00 p.m. here on school campus. So again, for kindergarten through high school, school-wide award ceremony is May 24th at 2:00 p.m. For families who can make it, your students can be released to you at the end of the ceremony, and then they will be done for the school year. Hallelujah, we made it. And then for those of you who we will see in the summer program, would come back the following week. But again, last day of school is May 24th, which is also the day of our school awards for kinder through 12th grade. That is a full school day. We will dismiss at 3 o'clock like normal. Next announcement to bring up is about the Six Flag outing. That is happening on next Friday, May 20th. But we still need to make sure that we have, if you are interested in attending, please make sure you purchase your tickets by tomorrow, the 13th. Tickets again are $36 for both adults and children. If you have a season pass and you are still interested in going with the Thomas Christian School, please fill out the form and please indicate on the form that you have a season pass. This helps us just with our record keeping. It also helps us to know and to keep track of who's going and who's not going. Also, we are in need still of parent drivers, especially for first grade through high school. But again, the Six Flag outing is next Friday, May 20th. We still are in need of parent drivers for first grade through high school, and tomorrow, the 13th, is the last day to pick up your tickets in the school office. Next thing I want to let you know, and finally, is the 7th and 8th graders are hosting a movie night tomorrow night, the 13th, starting at 7:00 p.m. They will be showing the movie Bambi, and this is a free event open to all students and families of Natomas Christian School. Although the movie night is free, 7th and 8th grade students will be collecting donations, and donations will be donated to the Ocean Cleanup Foundation. Ocean Cleanup Foundation is a nonprofit organization that's dedicated to ocean cleanup. And the 7th and 8th graders have taken on the challenge of being good students to God's earth that He's given us. In science classes and in Bible classes, we've been talking about the necessity of being a good steward of the things that God has given us. And the 7th and 8th graders have taken on the challenge. They wanted to do something good for the earth. They wanted to do something that gave them a spirit of stewardship and gave them a pride of ownership of the earth. And they determined and they decided that donating to the Ocean Cleanup Foundation is what they wanted to do. So again, the movie night is tomorrow, tomorrow night, May 13th. It's at 7 o'clock, and the film they will be showing is Bambi. There will be some light refreshments available for purchase, which also is dedicated to go to the Ocean Cleanup Foundation. So that's about it. Again, a lot of announcements. Just want to clarify a few things. And then finally, if I can just implore you one more time, I know that we have 2 weeks, but if you can help us to just remind your students and your kid that even though we only have 2 weeks of school left, the fact of the matter remains that we do still have 2 weeks of school left. And there's a lot that can happen in those last 2 weeks. And we're trying to really get our students to buckle down, make sure they finish strong, make sure they keep providing their best effort. And so if you can help us out by reminding that, will be great. So that's it for this week. I hope you guys have a good week, have a good weekend, and until next time, God bless. Bye.